Hi, my name is Jennifer Russell. I am the owner of First Priority Restoration. We are headquartered out of Chicago. We have locations in Indianapolis, Toledo, Ohio, and Tampa, Florida. We've got about 80 employees, and I run the financial side of the operation. Prior to implementing PSA, we were using a system that now feels like it was incredibly archaic compared to all of the functionality that we get with proven solutions. When we were looking for a new production software for our company, what we were hoping to find was a solution that would allow us to manage the job from top to bottom. A solution that allows us to capture everything from when we board the job up until we're completely done with the construction. Within that, we needed the ability to pull all of the estimatics in, make sure that we can track work orders, make sure that we can track time, and of course, most importantly, make sure that we've got budgets and that we're capturing all the costs and all the pricing in there. It was nice to find a solution like PSA because it's really allowed us to accomplish that goal. One of the other things that I really like about is that I feel like they're very responsive to their users. A couple times a year, they get as much feedback from everybody as they possibly can, which is really fantastic because they do such a nice job of creating this product, but then if there's something you see when you're using it in real time, they listen and they react. PSA was able to allow us to use the same software from the top of our company to the bottom of our company. So I am able to use it for all of the financial piece, for my financial reporting and things like that, but it also, all of my technicians can clock in and out on the site. Everybody can do all of their work in the same application.